PCs. Everybody wants one, but nobody knows how to build one. And today, we're going to show you how to build one. And by the end of today, you're going to have an up and running rig. Now, we're going to start with our GPU. Now, you may ask, why do I have this shovel? Well, I had to hide it from scalpers. Anyways. Now this is what makes a gaming PC gaming. Alright, now let's go retrieve our sunken treasure. Scalper.
Dude, are you alright?
Yeah, fine. Got the GPU. Let's go wash it off. Now after that little scuffle, our GPU did get a bit dirty, so now we're gonna clean it. Next, we are moving on to our CPU. Actually, I'll be 1 minute.
What? Where are you going?
Don't worry about it.
20 minutes later.
Oh.
Hey, you're back!
Yeah, I got the CPU, but I broke a hatchet.
Wait, what were you doing?
No. Me. Building.
Wait, what's in there though?
We don't want the government to see this. Now, after we have gotten our CPU gently acquired, we're gonna move on to the RAM sticks. Now, growing from home provides 16 to 8 megabytes. Come to my farm. Here they are in all their glory. Now, what you want to do is gently take them out with your hand. What do you think I was going to do? Alright, on to the next part. Alright, this is our power supply. That was our power supply. But now we have TV remote and AA battery. Alright, cameraman, do you smell that? The motherboard's almost done cooking. Oh, it is! You wouldn't dare. Alright, I managed to get my power supply back. But I don't really like this one. I prefer mine more Bluetooth.
Wait, why'd you leave that red one?
Alright, and now time for our CPU cooler, which, summon. I have it now. Now this is our motherboard, which we're gonna install very gently. Alright, appears to be that we have a little bit of dust in the CPU socket. Let me just grab that. Alright, now we will be installing our CPU. Now this is our thermal paste. We're only going to be using a pea-sized amount. Remember, always not to overdo it.
Wait, was that toothpaste?
Do we want it water cooled?
Yeah, I think we need to water cool it.
Now we have our water coolant. Now it is time for our GPU. Personally, I like mine without the shell. Now this is what we need. Alright, next we're going to be installing our RAM DIMMs. Alright, now we're going to turn it on and see if it sings.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
The fans aren't spinning for some reason. I don't think it worked. It's broke. We did something. After further analysis of the PC, it turns out we need more water for water cooling. Alright, now we are gonna go get our water source. Water cooling. Alright, now after a day or two of soaking in the water, this is how it should turn out. As you can see, a beautiful setup. Thank you for joining us on this episode. Next episode, we're going to be showing you how to put a baby to sleep with a little bit of elbow grease. Sure shot.